So it's raining, and I love the rain, like, no joke. I don't know, like, I'm making dinner right now, so I have things cooking, so I'm gonna make this short. What to talk about? So I have to be at school all day tomorrow. I don't like that. No. And it's like rain. Like, you can't really tell. Like, well, you can kind of tell if you look at the puddle. And those are the plants. My mama planted them. Let's see. Rain. More rain. Me. I don't know. Like, I'm bored, but there's nothing to do, so I decided to make dinner. I'm making hot dogs, so it's like, but they're awesome. That was creepy, I know. Elephant. Hi, elephant. Gloves, shoes. Thingamabobber. Car! So just zoom in. There's a random tire. I don't know. Let's walk inside. Hey, look, there's Lise. Lise! Whoa, I almost fell. Say hi.
Hi.
What's wrong? Were you sleeping?
Yeah, I was sleeping. Stupid Antonio like called me twice.
Who's Antonio?
Some retard guy.
Oh, is that the one Monte was texting?
That's Josh.
Oh.
Get it right.
Oh, I'm sorry. See? Hot dogs. Cooking. Hot dog buns. Nelly! Where's your mama? Hi! I'm bored, Lise. Grey's Anatomy's on TV. Yay.
The most determined of us. We hold on to the dream. You're ugly and old.
My laptop on the floor. Where's Alan like that?
They went walking.
They went walking, it's raining. It's raining! Anyways, I think tomorrow I'm gonna make an intro video just because I can. But I have to find video editing software because I need to make an intro, like a intro. Not like an intro video, but like an intro like for my videos. Yeah. Because I'm awesome and I know how to make them. But I need video editing software because Premiere Pro costs about $200. And I ain't fixing to pay $200. Oh, I got a text. Blech. Like my phone? It's sexy. I know. What else? Let's see. My camera says 3 minutes and 50 seconds. And that's probably going to take 2 hours to load. I uploaded a video earlier. It's like before that on the sidebar. Right there. You see it? Right there. Actually, that's the wall, but you know what I mean. Over there. So yeah, go watch it. It's me jumping on a trampoline. There's my cousin. He says his name is Keith. It's not Keith. Not at all. Random thought. I know like British people. They creep me out. Yeah, like, would you like a cup of tea? I know that. No, that's not me. I walk. Oh Lord. Yay. Oh look, another text message. Let's see. Blech. Look, it's my phone. Anyways. Yeah. Bye. Oh wait, I'm still here. I tried to do that was me trying to do a Shane Dawson thing. Be like, but that doesn't work. Because I have to press stop. Hold on. Let's try this. Okay.